Hi there, my name is Mandy, and this is the website that I created this semester for our class. The name of my website is Mandy Cat Cook, which is my name. On my homepage, I have my most recent post, which I only have one blog post at the moment, but plan to add more. I also have a blog tab as well as my homepage tab, which will also contain all of my blog posts. I also have a contact tab that shares a little bit more about me, and it has my photo and it has a way to contact me. I also have the store tab, which right now I'm not needing to use that because the purpose of my website right now is just to use it as a personal blog to just post about things that are going on in my life or trips I've been on or just things that I want to post on my blog. But in the future, I would love to start a photography business, and so I would use this website as my website for my photography business. And I don't think that I would need the option for the store to purchase things, just because I don't really think I'll have anything to purchase unless I ever have photos that people might want to purchase. But for now, or when I have my photography business, it will be a way for customers to be able to contact me. And so, yeah, I really enjoyed this class. I had a little bit of experience coming into this class with WordPress, but I learned a ton this semester. I think that the most difficult thing for me was just learning more in depth things that I didn't know and learning how to use Divi and just all of the things that I didn't know. It was really interesting, but it was kind of hard sometimes. But I'm grateful for the opportunity that I had to learn more, and I'm excited to keep learning.